How to hide your birthday on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Let's learn to hide your birthday and not let anybody know about your birthday on Facebook. First, open your Facebook app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Then you can see a settings option. Tap on the grid icon and there you can see the option of personal details. Just tap on it and then see the personal details again and tap on it again. Now you can see your date of birth, tap on it, and then you can see on blue you can see your birthday. Tap on it, then a pop-up will arise and then tap on change visibility on Facebook. There you can see your date of birth and year, and beside that tap on the button and tap on more options to set on only me. Do the same for birth year and scroll down at the bottom and hit save. And that's it. That is how you hide your birthday on Facebook. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.